Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. As we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news of rising tensions between China and India. But first in the US, the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Survey expanded at a faster pace in June, driven by strong production and new order levels. Price and wage pressures accelerated further, both to new record high levels. In China, their giant Baotan hydroelectric dam, the second largest in the country after the Three Gorges Dam, began generating electricity yesterday. It's a piece of infrastructure abhorred by Indians because of its control over water flows to the Indian subcontinent. On the India-China border that has been a subject of dispute for decades, both the Chinese and Indians are amassing substantially larger military forces recently. The Chinese effort is quite secret, while there is more visibility on the Indian moves. It is not a good sign. In Australia, their federal tax authority has been concentrating on the top 500 privately owned business groups to ensure they pay their fair share. It is paying off, with 320 of them paying 40% more tax in the 3 years to the 2018 tax year. And the ATO is now widening those investigations to the top 1,000 corporate taxpayers, which covers large public and multinational companies, focusing on the income tax affairs of taxpayers with turnover above $250 million. Internationally, the Baltic Dry Index rose 2.1% in a day yesterday to 3,324, its highest since June 2010. Shipping demand is high. Commodity prices for iron ore and steel-making coal are staying high too, but prices for thermal coal are falling due to Chinese regulatory actions. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today down 4 basis points at 1.48%, and the price of gold starts today at $1,780 an ounce, which is down $2 from this time yesterday. Oil prices are sharply lower today, down $1.50 a barrel. In the US, they're now just over $72.50 a barrel, while the international Brent price is just over $74 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar opens the day a little softer at 70.4 US cents. Against the Australian dollar, we're unchanged at 93.1 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're virtually unchanged too at 59.1 euro cents. That means our trade weighted index starts today softer at 72.9. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.